Caught red-handed, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases, focusing on one you've probably heard before: caught red-handed. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal settings, but what does it really mean? And where did it come from? Stick around as we explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in your daily conversations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring the intricacies of the language, this video is for you. When someone is caught red-handed, it means they were discovered in the act of doing something wrong or illegal, with clear evidence of their wrongdoing. It's often used to describe situations where the person has no chance of denying their actions because they were caught in the moment. This phrase can apply to various scenarios, from serious crimes to playful mischiefs. The phrase, caught red-handed, has a vivid and somewhat gruesome history. It originates from ancient laws in England and Scotland, where being caught with blood on one's hands after committing a crime, such as murder or poaching, was considered irrefutable evidence of guilt. The red in red-handed refers to the blood of the victim, highlighting the direct and undeniable connection between the perpetrator and the crime. To help you incorporate caught red-handed into your English, here are a few examples. The thief was caught red-handed stealing from the store. He tried to deny eating the last piece of cake, but he was caught red-handed with crumbs on his shirt. The politician was caught red-handed in a corruption scandal, with evidence of bribe-taking. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from everyday mishaps to serious legal issues. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few with similar meanings to caught red-handed. Caught in the act. Busted. Caught with one's hand in the cookie jar. These expressions convey the idea of being discovered while doing something wrong, though they may carry slightly different connotations or be more appropriate in different contexts. That's a wrap on caught red-handed. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful phrase, its origins, and how you can use it. Remember, idioms like this one add flavor and depth to your English conversations, making them more vibrant and expressive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.